As you can see straight out the box, you don't have to do anything to it. I do notice the drawstring gives a really secure hold without any glue. It lays everything flat. As you can see, the hairline looks good. But the issue that sometimes I find with the drawstring is how it pulls the ear tab area closer to the ear. So I want to kind of show you all how to properly cut that really fast. If you notice that when you pull the drawstring, now you have it where the ear is now being pushed by the lace and this part doesn't lay. Before that, it fits perfectly. So usually this happens only when you tighten up the drawstring. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen it up. You will need to cut it. If you will need to cut it, it will depend on you basically. So let me push the hairline back. So first thing you wanna do is line it up. Make sure that you have the middle part where it's supposed to be. And then what I like to do is I like to find where the lace is, like where it's actually falling on the ear, and try not to cut too much into the hair. So I would separate like this, a clip, and just pin this hair out the way so I can make sure I don't cut it. And right here is where I need to cut. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's like lace just sitting right here on the ear. I'm going to take my scissors and just go right around in like a downward motion. As you can see, it just cut it straight down like so. So I took off about this much. That's not much at all. And now I can push this over the ear and this area lays flat. So I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Bring it over the ear, pin the hair out the way, find the area that you need to cut, which should be a small area right here over the ear. It should be lace only, do not cut into the cap. So I'm cutting upwards just because of my hand angle. And then now it falls over the ear perfectly. So it's just that simple. I hope that's very helpful to you guys if you was having that issue. Now when I take the strap and I tighten, now let's tighten it back. It should fall perfectly without the lace bending on my ear or over my ear, like this. Look at that, so much better, right?